She's afraid of the grass.
You're just not so sure. Look at her
Yeah.
little toes.
Oh, come here, Lil.
Uh-oh, what are those dogs
Lily.
barking at?
Come here, Lil. It's okay. Come on. Lily,
She's
Come on.
like, I don't want to walk.
come on. Yeah. You can do
I
it.
just got used to this one spot.
Yeah, I'm not gonna move from this one
I want
spot.
to go to sleep.
No, she's trying to figure out if she can move on the grass because she has to lift her paws up. She's not used to it.
Boop, 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 boop.
She's like, what? she just wanted to get on me.
Yes, I knew that. I could tell she wanted to be with you. Aw. She says, there's my security blanket.
My security. It's safer here. It's safer here. Okay. Okay, how's that collar doing? You don't mind. Yes, you don't. You say, it's not so safe here anymore. She's picking me up. Picking me up. Lily, smile.
Smile.
Wait, you don't smile, do you?
Cats don't smile.
Baby. Okay, I'm gonna stop.